Learn about CFIA SFCR plan. Hey foodies! Want to take your food business to the next level? Let's talk about the CFIA SFCR plan, and make sure you're in compliance. In just 60 seconds, we'll break down why you need the SFCR PCP plan. The CFIA SFCR plan isn't just about ticking boxes, it's your recipe for staying ahead of the game. With a focus on preventive controls, traceability, and safety measures, you'll be setting the standard for excellence. When you send food out of the province, you are required to get an SFC license and implement PCP plan, unless you are exempted. What exactly do you need to do? Send us a DM with the keywords SFC and I will share the details.